Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews for April 2022. We will start with Amazon SEO search engine optimization, and in the product opportunity explorer you will now find trends. Trends means that you can see the search behavior and search volume for a specific time and the development of it. The data is especially shown in three parts: search volume, the total number of times customers entered any of the search terms in this niche on Amazon in the past 7 days. Normally it's combined of 20 different search terms. The product count, the number of product in this niche. The niche will include all of the top clicked products in the niche up to at least 80% cumulative click share, absolutely necessary to understand, and the search conversion rate, number of products of any product in this niche after a customer entered the search term and clicked on a product, divided by the total number of times customers entered this search term. Applies to the past 7 days. We have also a solution for that on AMALYZE. If you're looking for AMALYZE trends, you will find a solution for that, and you can directly use more than one keywords and see the development of different keywords in one chart. Amazon content. The first results of A/B testing with enhanced brand content, A+ content, is ready. We have seen a good development with a shorter EBC with only 2 banners instead of 5, but let's have a deeper look into the data. Especially when it comes to sample size, is absolutely necessary to see that Amazon is only using logged in shoppers who see the A+ content. That is absolutely cool. Not all shoppers are necessarily part of the experiment, but we have looked a bit deeper in the data. For the same time of the test, we have only seen 279 sessions in Seller Central and 365 page views, but the sample size is 455. So maybe the ad traffic is missing in that report. We don't know it. If you know it, please leave a comment directly under the video. Then Amazon has released a new beta. You can go to inventory reports, and you can now find the selected report type category listings report. It's a beta. Please note that the report and its features may be changed or removed at any time, but make sure to understand you now don't have to open a case with Amazon support to get that report. It's now directly free. If you liked it so far, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to stay informed when we are releasing new videos, new AMAnews, and use the AMALYZE browser extension. Now, the next topic is Amazon advertising. In the ad carousel on the product detail pages, you will now see reviews mentioned. You can see it on the left for the whole carousel, and on the right, reviews mentioned, easy to install, and they were good. A short excerpt of a review of a customer. Amazon has also now given new KPIs to sponsored video ads. As you can see them here, viewable impressions are now available, and Sponsored Brands has also launched a new to brand and detail page view matrix. You can find them in your ad console, and that will look like this. Also, Amazon has released a new report, at the moment only available via Amazon Ads API, and for example, if you are using sponsored display product targeting to help reach audience within a specific category like running shoes, you can not only analyze performance at the targeting clause level, in example the running shoes category, but also break down performance based on the product detail pages and where your ads appeared with that category. That is a new report, at the moment only via API. In the Amazon marketing, there's only one little change. Hopefully you have recognized the brand referral bonus program. Thousands of brands are already taking advantage of the new brand referral bonus program, with some earning thousands of dollars in bonus with a single month. You can watch a video here if you click on it, and that means at the end, if you are driving off Amazon traffic to your listing, you can earn a bonus averaging 10% of the promoted product sales and an additional bonus averaging 10% of sales on any of your brand's products purchased by the customer in the following 2 weeks, 14 days. The bonus is provided as a credit on your referral fees. Then let's talk about the Amazon marketplaces. It's all. We have seen a few news, for example, the 2022 events calendar to plan your year. If you follow the link, you will come directly to that PDF with an overview of every month and the themed events across UK and Europe. Then for the transparency program, that means transparency is a product serialization service available for brand owners registered in brand registry who want to protect their products from counterfeiting. Each unit is labeled with a unique code which customers can scan using the transparency or Amazon shopping app upon receiving their product. Comes with a new feature. The new feature is you can now include videos, refer our products and highlight featured deals to customers when they scan the code. That was at end of February, and in the end of March, Amazon also released a new feature in transparency program. Returns Analytics is a free feature available for products enrolled in transparency that gave us detailed insights on customer returns at a manufacturing batch or lot level. You can use these insights to spot supply chain trends quickly and identify root causes of issues crucial to reducing costs and improving customer trust. Amazon has also added a new text in the section "Can Amazon remove buyer feedback?" from now on. However, if the comment contains spoof, a product review and a feedback about your service, we will not remove the feedback. For example, seller's shipping service was very slow and the Acme Super Widget lacks the sharpness and speed of the Acme Ultra Widget. Amazon will not remove that anymore. Also, new updates for the selling policies and seller code of conduct. If you follow the links behind it, you will directly come to that PDF. Never engage in conduct that violates price fixing laws, that is new, and activities that could be perceived as attempting to manipulate Amazon's search results or sales rankings is now more defined, such as by accepting fake orders or orders that you have paid for or refund externally, or orders that you discounted externally, or making claims about sales rank and product titles or description, and activities that could be perceived as attempting to influence search results by inflating search ranking through keyword manipulation or incentivizing customers' search to appear as organic behavior. Also, in the same time, they have offered a few changes in meditation policy, Amazon renewed programs, and Lab Central. You can directly find the changes to program policy and can go to the different PDFs. Please note your continued use of selling service after March 31, 2022 constitutes your acceptance of the changes, and for more information on upcoming changes you can directly have a deeper look here and will find all of that. Then for European FBA, there are a few new fee structures. If you're selling on European marketplaces like Germany, Spain, France, Italy, or the United Kingdom, Make sure to remember the reduce of the dimensions of larger envelopes and the extra large envelopes. If you have any problems and still believe that your product measurements are incorrect, you can submit a remeasurement request directly. And at the end, the season removal of multiple inventory starts April 15. That means that your multiple inventory will not be fulfilled or accepted from April 15 to October 15. Multiple refers to all heat-sensitive products, including but not limited to chocolate, gummies, and selected jelly and wax-based products. You can download a list of multiple ASINs also directly here. And last but not least, Amazon is starting an automated removal of aging inventory from mid of April, unless you opt out. Automated removal of aging inventory starts April 15, 2022. Unless you opt out, your settings have been updated to automatically remove aging inventory starting April 15. This change applies to inventory in fulfillment centers for longer than 365 days, that means a year, and units of ASINs that have not sold in 6 or more consecutive months, 6 months, half a year, and that have been in fulfillment centers for longer than 180 days, longer than half a year. That was the episode of the AMAnews for April 2022.